Hi there and welcome to our channel. I'm Shelley and behind the camera is Sep. Today we've got this television and we're going to turn this television into a mini bar. So the first thing we've got to do is open it all up, clear everything out that's in the inside and try and take the glass out. Now the telly's been totally gutted. What we've got to do now is we've got to cut this part off the back so that we can put our backing on so that it's all nice and straight and doesn't have this arch on it. And Sep's going to do that with the jigsaw. We're now going to make a framework inside of the television. We've got therefore the two base panels and the two side panels. The base panel we want to use tiles on so that if you spill anything in there you can wipe it up. The two side panels we're going to wallpaper so that it gives it a bit of a colour. So our first job is to screw this box together so then we can use a pencil marking to see how much we've got to tile. Then we're going to tile, then we're going to wallpaper. And the top piece of wood that's in here, that has to be oiled so that it gives it a nice colour, and we're going to oil that. Now we want to attach these holders to the sides of these boards. We're going to make these are made out of wood and they're done especially so we can slot the glasses in and they will hold into place. And these are going to be screwed on here and we're going to have 3 of them on here. So we're going to show you now how to make them. This is the piece of wood we're going to use to hold our glasses with. It's 6 by 6 and it's 1 centimetre thick. It's going to measure in 2.5 centimetres and then in from the middle 3 centimetres. Now we're going to fix the box all back together again. Once we've done that, we've got here this mirror that we need to cut down to size and fix into the back of the box. Our bar's finished now. We did though add an extra touch, and I made up a few photos for you to see at the end of the film, so stay right to the end to see the photos because we added some lights. Mr. Sippy, you're going to put the lights on? Like Christmas decorations?
Yeah.
Yep. And of course, to celebrate our new bar, we got to have a drink as well. So here we go. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in a couple of weeks' time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and cheers. Ciao, ciao.